Good afternoon, dear tutor. My name is Ivan Bento. I am from the city of Bogota. I am a telecommunications engineering student. Today I will talk to you about how to save energy. That is why we will give some tips and simple ways with which we can all save energy. First, turn off the lights when you leave a room. It's a small act, but it can make a big difference. Appliances consume energy even when they are turned off. Unplug charges, electronics and appliances when not in use. Consider investing in energy efficient appliances. They will help you with a lower bill. In Bogota, where the weather can be unpredictable, a smart thermostat can be your best friend. Adjust the temperature according to your habits, ensuring you are comfortable and safe and saving energy. Participate in local initiatives that promote energy efficiency. Join community projects, workshops, or start your own to raise awareness about the importance of energy conservation. In conclusion, we can all take a small steps toward a greener future. Let's be aware of your energy use and work together to create a sustainable environment. Remember, every little action counts. Thank you.